Hi guys, my name's Sean, I'm from XPERT-60 and today I'm going to be introducing you to a product called Snow Foam Max. So Snow Foam Max is a foaming product which delivers a dense foam blanket when applied through a foaming lance or foaming gun. The beauty of the product is it's user-friendly, and by user-friendly I mean the fact that it's a pH neutral product. It will not strip the vehicle of any waxes that have been pre-applied to the application of this particular product. Snow Foam Max will deliver very, very good dilution rates, anything up to 1 to 15. I tend to use a foam blanket quite dense, so I make my products slightly more concentrated, around about 1 to 9, which obviously 1 part product will give me 900 millilitres of water in a litre. Yeah. So there's 2 methods to apply the product. Yeah, or 2 application methods. Now, first and foremost, because this particular vehicle is slightly soiled, we can actually apply the product through the foaming lance directly onto the vehicle. Now, if this vehicle was heavily soiled, what I would actually recommend was a pre-treatment, a pre-wash, prior to obviously applying the foam blanket. Now, for a pre-wash, we would pressure wash the vehicle down, apply the product, and then agitate the foam blanket surface, cleaning off with a grit guard bucket and fresh water. So the method that we're going to do is a direct application straight onto the paintwork without a pre-rinse. So let's do it. So as you can see, when we apply a foam blanket, a dense foam blanket, in this instance a very, very nice foam blanket, which smells quite nice actually. We apply from the bottom up, working on the vertical panels first, and we leave the horizontal panels to the last. Now this is primarily because horizontal panels actually absorb more heat. Yeah, so they're more heat absorbent, in which case the product will dry out much quicker. The reason we apply from the bottom up, the heavier soilage parts of the car are always along the bottom edges of the doors behind the wheels. Yeah. So all we now need to do now is wait for the blanket to start to break, and then we can actually pressure wash it down with fresh water. Right guys, so there you've got it. That's been on now for approximately 10 minutes. I did tell you it was quite a dramatic, dense foam blanket, which I'm sure you'll all agree that it is. So now it's time to actually pressure wash it and rinse it back down again. Let's go. There you have it guys, that's Snow Foam Max. Nice dense foam, carries a great visual impact. Thank you.